Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you 5 different claw clip hairstyles. Claw clips are back in and super trendy, so here's 5 ideas of how to wear them. So this first one is an updo, full updo, and you just start by, well, I section off my front pieces. You don't have to, but I just think it looks really cute. Then with the rest of your hair, you're just going to pull it back into a ponytail, twist, and then you're going to secure your claw clip on that twisted part, leaving the ends of your hair up and out, creating almost an illusion of like a super high voluminous ponytail. Super trendy from early 2000s. I remember doing this when I was like in elementary school, guys. So super fun that it's all back. And this is how it looks. Okay, for the second look, we are going to be doing a half up hairstyle. To start, you can just grab half of your hair. I have extensions, so I tend to grab sections on either side and then a section of the back of my hair, just so that I know that I'm going to be covering the wefts that I have in my hair, or I'm not going to be flipping a weft up and over, making my hair look all weird. Anyway, once you grab that section, the top section of your hair that you want up, you're going to take your finger and twist the hair so that your ends point down. And then use a smaller claw clip to secure that twisted section down. And that is look number 2. Now for look number 3, this is also a full updo. We are going to combine the techniques used from number 1 and number 2. So pull all your hair back into a ponytail, use that same twist you did in look number 2, twist it all the way up to your head, and then just use a large claw clip to secure the twisted section onto your head. And I have a ton of hair, so I had to use 2 hands to really secure it, but this is really nice because it keeps everything close to your head. And then for look number 4, this is also a full updo. You're going to bring all of your hair back into a ponytail and then just do like a regular round wrapped bun. And then you're going to use a big claw clip or a small claw clip to secure the ends. Make sure you put your clip on your bun where your ends are, or else it will unravel. And that's look number 4, a really cute low bun. Now for look number 5, this is another half up hairdo. And again, it's just a combination of some of the techniques we've used with the other looks, look number 1 and 2. So you're going to pull back your top section of hair that you would like in your half up, and you're going to twist it like the first look, where the ends of your hair are going to be up and out of the clip. Then use a small claw clip to clamp down that twisted section of hair and spread out the ends of your hair over the claw clip. And this is one of my very favorite ways to wear the claw clip. I just think it's really cute. It looks super voluminous, and that's how it looks. Let me know which one of these looks was your favorite, and are you into the claw clip trend? Let me know.